Hey guys, I just wanted to put together this video for you about you have a mock-up video. So now this is for working on getting your website together. So you've got a couple options here. If you want to use Adobe Portfolio, here is kind of a brief overview on how to do that. So I'm just going to click on New Site. I'm going to do full portfolio and just grab one of these. It doesn't matter. All of these themes on here are free. So you can pick which one you want. And then when you click on it, it's going to show you like what's in the theme, what the pages look like, all that. So it doesn't really matter because we're just going to do really one page. So I'm going to say use this theme. So you will probably want to change your name out. This is probably going to say whoever owns your subscription, their name is going to pop up here. So you can just change that to your own name. And then all you're going to have to do is this one, it already for some reason has something in it from one of my other portfolios. You should be able to just click add page. And then you're going to click add page again, put in the title, maybe portfolio or something like that. You can leave the destination as is. And actually, I would say do make this my home page. So what that's going to do is that this is just going to make it as soon as you go in, that's going to be the main page that you see. Then go create page. And so now it's taking you to your portfolio page. So you're probably going to want to do two things here. You're going to want to add an image. So you've got all of these little options here, and you're going to want to add some text. So maybe we do text first, and we say book cover project. All right. And then we can go over here and we should be able to add an image. Why are you not letting a website container? Layout options. Let's do. You thought this was going to be super easy. There's all these things that you can change in here. Image options. Why won't you let me add an image? So I'm going to do the little plus sign here and then add an image inside. I think that's going to add it in my text. So I'm going to go, I've got a mock-up already set up. I'm just going to do open and it's going to show up in here right next to my text. So all I did was click the little plus sign over my text, and then it allowed me to add the image just like right next to it. And so inside here, you can do a return and you can add this project, whatever you want to say about your project. Okay. And you can do as many of these as you want. You can add different things. Feel free to play around with it. It's always good to add knowledge to yourself about web stuff because these kinds of things are not going away, and this is a pretty simple web design option to figure out. And then you're going to go down to this bottom left corner where it says publish site and preview, and you can preview it first to make sure it looks how you want, but you really need to make sure you do publish site. And then you can view your site. And now up at the very top, you can just copy that and paste it into the discussion board, and people should be able to get around and see your website. Okay. The other option you have is if you have access to Google Drive, This is a super easy way to do this too. So inside Google Drive, you can do new and then scroll down to more and then go to Google Sites. It'll just open a whole new thing. You can change the name of your site. You can put your name and portfolio. Oops. What just happened there? Here we go. My portfolio. Change your title page to whatever you want. This is actually might be a little easier than the Adobe one, because then they give you these content blocks over here. So this is super simple. Just click on one that has an image and text on it. You could use any of these. You can always add text later. And then you're just going to do on the plus button and then upload. So I'm going to upload that same book. Click it in there. And then I'm just going to drag the box down a little bit so that I can see that. And then I'll do the same thing here. Book cover project will be the title. And then they have another box already in there where you can add information about your project. So like it's a student work, we redesigned the cover or created a new cover for a book or something, whatever you want to put in there. And again, you can add as much as you want. The nice thing about the Google sites is you could just keep dragging more of these down here. You can just keep adding the content blocks below to create kind of your bigger portfolio. There's also an image carousel if you want to just do that. These things are available in the Adobe as well. And then make sure you click on the publish button, the purple one that's on the upper right corner. Click publish. You can change your web address at that point. Down here, it's going to tell you exactly what the full name is. And then you can hit publish. And then go back up to that little drop down. And you can go view publish site. And that will take you to your website, how other people will see it. And so you can see if your links work, if your pages work, all of that, if everything shows up. And then you're just going to click in this bar up here and do copy and paste into the discussion board. Okay, so those are two good options for this. Let me know if you're having problems or aren't able to get access to one of these, and we'll work something out. Okay, so hopefully that works for you, and the end.